Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can grab your site visitors' attention using the Typographic CTA widget by WdesignKit. See how this powerful tool lets you showcase your messages with style, featuring animated images and creative typography. Whether you want to promote sales, highlight new blog posts, or effortlessly showcase products, this widget offers a unique solution. So, are you ready to give your site that extra wow factor? For that, let's dive in. The widget we will be using here is offered by WdesignKit. Speaking in terms of figures, it includes over 2000 pre-designed templates and 100 plus pre-built widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks, along with a cloud workspace and much more. We will discuss about more of its features in detail soon, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Now, let's start with the tutorial. Make sure you have installed Elementor WdesignKit, so come up here and click Add New Plugin. Then search for it. And here it is, WdesignKit. Simply click on Install Now. Then Activate. Moving ahead to Appearance. And here, as you can notice, I'm using Next theme. However, feel free to use any other theme as per your preference. Now, in order to use this plugin, we will need to make an account with WdesignKit. Simply come here and click on WdesignKit. Next, up here in the header section, click on Login. At the bottom here, it's written Don't have an account. Click Sign Up. Now this web page will open up where it's visible that you can sign up with your socials, or here after you fill all the details mentioned, simply click on this button. I already have an account, so I'll simply click Sign In. And then I will click on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this kind of interface. It's time to activate our widget, so come up here in the header section and click on Browse Widgets. Now search Typographic. Here it is, Typographic CTA for Elementor. Now, as you can notice, it's a Pro widget. So, if you want to download and make use of it, we will have to upgrade this WdesignKit plugin to its Pro version. Let me guide you how to do it step by step. First, simply go back to the plugin section and click on Upgrade Pro. Then here, on clicking this WdesignKit logo, its pricing page will open up. Now, once you have reviewed all the plan's details and benefits, select the plan that suits your professional needs. After you've made a purchase, you will get the options to download the plugin as well as copy the Pro key from the checkout page only. In case you have skipped it, you can also get it from Posimith Store's dashboard. Simply head on to store.posimith.com/dashboard, and here it is, our Pro WdesignKit's activation key. Now it's time to activate the upgraded version, so let's revert to the WdesignKit's website. Scroll up a bit, then hover over your PFP. Then go to Manage License and simply paste your key in this input field. That's done. Your subscription is now successfully activated. Let's get back to the WP backend and download the star widget of today's tutorial, that is Typographic CTA, by simply clicking on this download icon. Once that's done, let's also make sure it's downloaded by going into the My Widget section. Perfect. Now, opening the Elementor editor, here's the basic page design where I have already imported the widget. If you want to do the same, simply come here to the Widgets panel and search Typographic. Then drag and drop it inside the workspace. Next, I'll just select the widget from the Navigator, and under the Content tab in here, you will get to see its customization options. Let's go through each of these one by one. On opening the Content Options drop-down, we have three sub-options here, namely Text, Select Image and Link. Initially, I'll go ahead and upload an image here. Now, when we will hover over this image, you can notice how the effect has already come into action. Next, I'll make use of the text sub-option to write something engaging at the back of this image. Cool! I like the fact that the image's transparency is changing when I'm hovering or even coming near to our key image. Though I think there is a need of some styling on this back text, maybe change the font family and add some letter spacing. So, for that, click on this Style tab and open the Typography drop-down. Here we will change the font from default to Plus Jakarta Sans, increase its size to 120 pixels, and weight I have kept at 700 bold. Also down here as visible, I have kept the line height as 140 and letter spacing as 10. At last, just close down this Typography drop-down, and now we will change the transparency of this text using the color styling option. Nice! Looking sleek. Let's now revert to the Content tab and cover the remaining customization options as well, that are Animation and Extra options. With these two options under Animation, you can control the picture's animation duration and speed. All I will say is that simply play around with the settings to find that perfect combination which suits your preference. Moving ahead, let's close this options drop-down and open Extra options. Again, there are several sub-options here that you might find useful, such as normal and hover opacity, available for both that are text and images. As you can see, the value range is from 0 to 1. Personally, this isn't something that interests me much, but the image glow effect is my favorite. Let's turn on its toggle button, and now as you can notice, a slight glass-like effect appears on our levitating picture when I hover over it. Pretty mesmerizing, right? Just remember one thing, buddy. Every minute a user spends on your site is going to benefit your business only. So never miss an opportunity to keep them engaged with unique effects like this that obviously comes in handy with every WdesignKit widget. Saying that, it's done. Our Typographic CTA page design is ready to go online. It's time for me to update and give you the final view. Now, don't forget to explore other amazing features WdesignKit offers. It provides various design assets and resources to create amazing WordPress websites in a matter of minutes. With its 2000 plus page templates, sections and kits, you can import pre-made WordPress websites. It comes with its own Power Widget builder, using which you can convert any custom code to Elementor widget, blocks or bricks elements. And not only that, as we shared earlier, it has its own 100 plus growing collection of pre-made widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and bricks. Using WdesignKit Page Builder Converter, you can convert your Elementor widget to Gutenberg blocks and even bricks elements. Amazing, right? Lastly, for all the Power WordPress users who create multiple websites, WdesignKit also comes with its cloud workspace, where you can store your created widgets and page sections on the cloud and import on any other website, as well as collaborate with your team members. To be honest, you can say me delusional, but WdesignKit is the tool which can increase your productivity by 100%. It comes with both free and pro plan. You can check all the details from this pricing page and choose the plan which suits your need. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now, if you are curious, be sure to check out our upcoming video where I will show you how you can easily add a scroll to top button with custom styles and icons to your web page, which will not only look like a cherry on the cake, but will also improve your overall site's navigation. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon turned on so that you don't miss any of such amazing video we keep on adding inside our WdesignKit playlist every week. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and stay creative.